MuseScore versus LilyPond. Which music notation software is better? Choosing the right tool can transform how you create sheet music without struggling with complexity. MuseScore offers an intuitive interface, while LilyPond focuses on precision through text-based input. MuseScore and LilyPond are popular music notation programs with distinct approaches. MuseScore is a visual drag-and-drop editor, while LilyPond uses a text-based coding system. This core difference shapes how composers interact with their scores and affects usability and output style. MuseScore is an open-source music notation software designed for ease of use and accessibility. It provides a graphical interface where users can place notes, dynamics, and articulations directly on the staff using drag-and-drop tools. The software supports MIDI input, playback, and export to multiple formats, making it ideal for composers who want quick results and visual feedback. MuseScore's strengths lie in its user-friendly design, extensive symbol libraries, and active community support. However, it can become less flexible for highly customized or complex scores, and some advanced engraving features are limited compared to professional-grade tools. MuseScore suits musicians, educators, and hobbyists looking for a straightforward way to compose, arrange, or transcribe music without needing programming skills. LilyPond is a text-based music engraving program that emphasizes producing high-quality, publication-ready sheet music. Instead of a graphical interface, users write code describing every musical element, which LilyPond compiles into beautifully engraved scores. This approach offers unparalleled control over layout, spacing, and notation details, often surpassing visual editors in engraving precision. The downside is a steeper learning curve and slower workflow, as users must learn the syntax and structure of LilyPond's language. It lacks real-time visual feedback during editing, which can challenge beginners. LilyPond is ideal for professional engravers, composers, and publishers who prioritize print quality and are comfortable with coding or scripting. It integrates well with other tools and supports complex notation requirements. MuseScore and LilyPond serve different needs depending on workflow and output priorities. MuseScore excels in ease and speed, perfect for users who want immediate visual results and interactive editing. It's great for classroom settings, quick arrangements, or collaborative projects. In contrast, LilyPond demands more time upfront due to its coding style, but rewards with superior engraving quality and fine-tuned control. For example, a composer preparing a professional score for publication may prefer LilyPond's precision, while a band member transcribing parts might choose MuseScore for convenience. Trade-offs include MuseScore's limited engraving finesse versus LilyPond's slower, code-heavy process. Both are free and open source, but their philosophies cater to distinct user profiles and priorities. Choose MuseScore if you want an intuitive visual tool that speeds up composing and editing without needing programming knowledge or deep engraving expertise. Opt for LilyPond if your focus is on producing professional quality sheet music with precise control and you are comfortable working with text-based input. Both tools are powerful in their own right, so select the one that fits your workflow and musical goals best.